Banana. Oh, this one. Ulan.
Ulan.
It's not ulan, it's ulan. Ulan is in Filipino. Next, this is a brain or utak.
Utak.
This is uwak. Do you know what's uwak? It's a crow. It looks like a monster because the color is black and the beak is so sharp. Diba? Yeah. Now, this time, this one for the two birds at the back. Sere pa ba sila name your name? Okay. So for this, you need to okay, for that, okay, faster. You need to get one pencil. Come on, Sky. Just one only. Okay, write your name first. Oh, that's enough na ate. Happy, you get pink. Oh, that's enough na one. Oh, iyo ako kuya ko. Come na, Sky. When I sit here, Sky, you sit here. Kabaw. Eh, kabaw ulit ita, Stacy. I don't want to hear that word, ha? Sit down na. Okay, did you write down your name? May pwede mga girls din eh. Kali mga boys, sige lang yung play. Yeah, that's really good. Boys, wait, paminaw. Job and Alec, you want teacher to get mad? Or not following her? Write letter J. You, Alec, you have to write your name. You write your name, Sati. Yes, okay, Sati, yes. S, write you. Write you. You follow S. Okay, first you have to color letter O and meaning okra. Okay, get the picture number again. So for that, you will use green. Okra is color green. Okay? For letter O, you can use any color. Oh, E. Na.